Haircuts with Frank. Hi, I'm Frank.
Hi, I'm Frank, and today I'm doing a haircut on a girl. I got a live model today. I know you guys like me working on live models, so I got a girl named Kate. And Kate, come on in over here, darling. So this is Kate, and as you can see, she's got nice hair, and I'm gonna do a haircut on Kate because she agreed to let me do what I want.
I agree.
All right, you'll be fine. I'm a professional, trust me. All right, so I'm gonna be cutting Kate's hair today. So Kate, just hang tight. I gotta get something real quick, all right? Just don't go anywhere. I gotta find something over here. Hold on a second. Hold on, I'm right back. I'm just trying to find my scissors over here. All right.
What is that?
This is gonna be my scissors of choice today for Kate's hair. Now I'm gonna show you how to cut Kate's hair with this tool here. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this tool right here.
No.
And if I take a nice clean slice right here, we'll be good. All right, well, looks like I gotta use a mannequin head again. So you wanna do is you wanna take the machete and just hack down on it like so. All right, so the client wants some layers on the top of her head. We cut the bangs in through here. Now the best way to cut layers with a tool like this is simple, all right? You wanna determine where you want the length to be right into here, all right? But I'm gonna take a different approach. I'm gonna come right from the top and cut some layers into it like so. Thank you for watching, bye.
Haircuts with Frank. Hi, I'm Frank.